Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing about a key decision taken by Assam Cabinet, which is regarding higher education and employment opportunity. This topic is very important for the upcoming mains examination and also as a general knowledge of different government examination of Assam. So without delay, let's start. So recently, in our state we can observe that different national level of examination, the passing percentage of our young aspirants is very low. So these different national level of examination we have, as you can see, NEET examination for medical, JEE for engineering, SSC, UPSC, etc. So these are the exams which is conducted at national level, and it is now getting very competitive by getting day by every day by day. So our to create such a competitive environment in our state itself, ministry, our recent cabinet has decided to create a youth commission, as referred by the announced by the our CM, Honorable CM Himanta Biswa Sharma. He emphasized that many Assamese students are not able to compete in such national level of competitive examination for various kinds of job level examination, be it undergraduate course, be it master degree course. So for that to he cited various reasons for this, like you can take example of language barrier, lack of proper communication, lack of proper coaching, lack of proper we can say awareness about such examination. So for that they have decided to create a youth commission, and it will be allocated first with some around 100 crore rupees. After that, if gets successful, it will be awarded with more money in the subsequent years. Yes guys, like it is very important for our state as of now, because we can see, I personally I can see that many our young brothers and sisters are not aware about such exams. Preparation is far away, even they don't know about such examination. So for that, this youth commission will play very important role. So what are the pros of this youth commission? I can see that more exposure to our young aspirants, cordial relationship is maintained with center. Here I am referring the cooperative federalism. Like if you contest the NEET examination on the basis of that our state students are not getting admitted, so it will hurt the cooperative federalism, right? Like it will be fight between center and state, which is not good for our federal structure. So that is why state governments can do by training their more and more, by giving more and more coaching and skills to our students. They can overcome such barrier, such national level of competition. They can also compete at national level. And another is a competitive environment will be created. As you can see in our Assam, I am not talking about Guwahati, but other parts of the Assam also, like there are many students who are not even aware about such examination, and that in competitive environment is completely lost somewhere between our societal reasons and our economic hardship of our families, different our festivals. In such scenarios, like this competitive environment is completely lost. So I believe that this commission will create again competitive environment and more awareness about such examination. Like many students don't know even about JEE, don't know even about what is APSC examination, what is the SCS job, what is APS job. So such kind of commission will create more and more awareness. Also our studies, while we were doing in be it 10th level, be it 12th level, we are not job oriented, or we can say not career oriented. Education is not only important from the perspective of job and career, it is also important for inculcating moral and ethical values. But career career choice and to fulfill our career dreams. It is also one kind of job done by the education. So our education, youth commission will help in more creating job oriented and career oriented study. So the structures of this commission has not been finalized yet and not yet announced by our cabinet, but more or less it will be under Department of Sports and Youth Welfare. So I hope you guys get to know about youth commission and different pros and their structure, their how it will help for youth and how it is going to create in a competitive environment for our Assam. But yes, only creation will not help. It has to be done, it has to be implemented in a good spirit manner. So this topic will be important for our GS paper 5, which is only related to Assam part, be it polity, geography. In polity part specifically, I think it will be important, but direct question might not ask about this commission. But what we can do is that we can quote somewhere about this youth commission while mentioning, while giving some examples of our Assam government's decision. So it will help in that way. I think this is for today. This is it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys are doing well and studying well for the upcoming mains examination.